Hello students, today I am sending you next video of JavaScript. So today topic is if, else if and else control structure statements. So let's be started by using an example. So first of all you have to write HTML tag in Notepad and after that body section, and in body section write script language JavaScript, and here we can declare a variable by using var keyword. We can declare a variable by using keyword var a and input value in a at runtime by using paths in prompt, enter the value of a in a. Similarly, declare another variable by using var keyword b, and after that declare third variable var c. Write here c in place of b here also, and after that use if statement. Here write if a is greater than b and a is greater than c. If both conditions are true, then it can be display document dot write a is maximum number. If you want to print it, comma print a. Similarly, next is again use if else statement. This is if else statement. Else if again use statement condition b is greater than a and b is greater than c. If both conditions are true, then it will be display document dot write b is maximum number. B is maximum number. And if you want to print it, comma print by using comma operator. Next is use insert terminator here and also in this statement, and after that use else statement, and here write next statement document dot write and print next value where c is maximum number and print it comma c and close it. And after that, if you have done, close script and body section and HTML. Here if keyword check the condition, and if the condition is true means a is greater than b and a is greater than c, means both conditions are true. And in logical operator, this is AND operator, logical operator, and in logical operator if both conditions are true, it can be display result true, means if both conditions are true, it can be display this statement of block. Suppose these two conditions are false और अगर एक भी wrong है तब कंट्रोल ट्रांसफर हो जाएगा नेक्स्ट कंडीशन में. एंड here if keyword again check the condition if b is greater than a and b is greater than c. If both conditions are true, then it will be display document dot write b is maximum number. Suppose both conditions are false means if and else if both conditions are false, then it will be display else statement, and else statement is C is maximum number. And if you have done, save it. .html, and after that save your program and display the output of this program by using any web browser. And this is your program. Double click on it and first of all it can be display a message, enter the value of A. So enter the value of A, like A value is 12, okay, and after that enter the value of B, like B value is 43, and C is 23, okay, and it will be display B is maximum numbers. So if you want to print the values of all variables, here again write the statements, document dot write the value of A equals comma A, and print value of A. Similarly, if you want to display the value of B and C, again write this statement here, print the value of B, and statement will be like this. And next statement is again write here C in place of B, A, and here also write C, and also use BR tag for breaking row. Here also BR and BR, and again save it and open your web browser and refresh your program. Enter the value of A like 20, enter the value of B like 30, and enter the value of C like 12, and it will be display the maximum number will be 30. ठीक है, ये हमें क्या बताएगा कि जो मैक्सिमम नंबर है वो 30 है. द वैल्यू ऑफ A इज इक्वल्स 20 and the values of B is equals 30 and the value of C is equals 12. So maximum number is 30. Let's take another example by using if and if else statement. So next example is new. Similarly, here delete it. Take a variable like you want to print day of week. So give a variable name day, and after that print the value of day. And here use if statement. If day is equals 0. If this condition is true, display statement today is Sunday. Is Sunday. Similarly, next statement is again use else if, and here use condition again day is equals 1. If this condition is true, print statement today is Monday. Monday. Next is again write else if, and here write 2 and print today is Tuesday. Next is again Control V and here like value 3, Wednesday. Next is again Thursday. Right here 4, today is Thursday. Thursday. Next is Control V, right here 5 and statement will be Friday. Next is write again 6 and statement will be Saturday. And after that, if you have done, last statement is else and print statement here document dot write invalid input, BR invalid input. And if you have done, save your program with the new name, save it. .html extension and execute it. And this is your program. This is your program. Font Pro. Yes, this. So open it and enter any value in. Enter the value of A, like 5, and it will be displayed today is Friday. Means write statement here, enter days between 0 to 6. अब हम इसको सेव करेंगे। देखो यहाँ पे जब हम वैल्यू 0 to 6 इनपुट करेंगे तो ये सारी कंडीशंस ट्रू होंगी, और जहाँ पे हमारा स्टेटमेंट जो है वैल्यू जो है जिस कंडीशन के साथ मैच होगी वो वाली स्टेटमेंट एग्जीक्यूट हो जाएगी। लाइक अगेन राइट हेयर 2 एंड प्रेस ओके एंड इट कैन बी डिस्प्लेड टुडे इज ट्यूसडे। सपोज आपने क्या किया, यहाँ पे इनपुट कर दिया 12 एंड इट विल बी डिस्प्ले इनवैलिड वैल्यू। ओके, इनवैलिड इनपुट मीन्स हमने 0 to 6 नंबर अगर इनपुट करेंगे तो ये कंडीशन ट्रू होगी, और अगर हम 0 to 6 के बाद कोई भी नंबर एंटर करेंगे तो यहाँ पे जितनी भी हमने कंडीशंस लगाई हैं वहाँ पे वो मैच नहीं होगी वैल्यू, देन इट कैन बी डिस्प्ले एल्स स्टेटमेंट।